Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Range Rover fan. Start by ensuring your safety and preparing the vehicle. First, disconnect the negative terminal of your Range Rover's battery to prevent any electrical mishaps. Next, you will need to drain the cooling system. This usually involves opening a drain plug at the bottom of the radiator and catching the fluid in a suitable pan. Finally, remove the engine cover and any other components that might block access to the fan assembly. With the initial preparations complete, it is time to gain full access to the cooling fan. Begin by detaching the upper radiator hose, which often uses a simple clamp. Then, locate and unclip the electrical connector that powers the fan motor. This is usually a push-tab design. You might also need to remove any plastic shrouding or covers that surround the fan assembly to expose all mounting points for the fan. Now we are ready to remove the fan itself. Most Range Rover cooling fans are secured by 3 or 4 bolts or nuts. Use the appropriate wrench or socket to loosen and remove these fasteners. Once all the mounting hardware is off, carefully lift the entire fan assembly straight up and out of the engine bay. Double-check that no wires or hoses are still connected before fully extracting it. After successfully removing the fan, take a moment to inspect it for any damage or wear, especially the blades and motor. It is also a good opportunity to clean any accumulated debris from the radiator fins, which improves cooling efficiency. When you are ready to reinstall, simply reverse the steps, ensuring all bolts are tightened to specification and electrical connectors are firmly seated. Finally, refill the cooling system and properly bleed any trapped air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.